With Mad 5280, and today I got a how to do a what is that thing called, a fairy garden or some shit? Yeah, fairy garden. And this is all materials I got from the house right now. So stay tuned, keep watching. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys like it. Rid of the ugly leaves and stuff. Now I want to mix this soil real nice.
Make sure you get all that soil straight and then make a mountain and whatnot. And then if you have a rubber from a swimming pool, we're gonna make a mini swimming pool or a river or a lake or something on this. Keep watching, guys. You'll enjoy.
See while I'm doing this. He always comes and visits. So cute. Earthworm. Now we're in the process. I'm gonna put some of this gardening fabric and fabric staples. I have all this at home. Didn't need to go buy it, so that's pretty cool. I already have that turf laid out. And now I'm gonna make a little mountain looking thingy so I could put the little house in there. This is where the river's gonna be. Cut a piece of fabric and put it on this edge. So I could build that little mountain for the house.
A little more. Fountain. Pool. A little more of that fabric there to cover that up. And we'll be good to go.
Well, it got dark enough so I can't see shit anymore. And we ran out of materials, but so far this is what we got. Boom.
What's the pink thing for?
It's a river and a swimming pool.
Oh, cute.
Hashtag almost done. And she swears she's helping. No, she doesn't. She is helping. It's a good way to entertain your kiddos.
Our adorable little garden
Fairy garden.
for my fairies. Yes.
Fire pit.
Well,
A well. Bridge that I made. You can see in the next video how to do it.
don't forget to show the chairs.
Give it a like, comment if you like. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Peace out.